This device, the Umidigi C1, is for old people because they are used to slow things and they are very patient, but it doesn't mean this device is bad for its asking price, which is 48,000 naira. Hey guys, it's Michael, and what we get inside the box is the device, a TPU case, a USB-C cable, SIM ejector pin, and the power brick. One of the promising things about this device is the design. Even though it looks similar to one of the siblings, which is the A13 Pro, it feels a lot better when you are holding it, which this device is made entirely out of plastic with a matte finish at the rear. The 6.5-inch LCD display has this sweet in the middle feel, not so bad for its price and also not giving a crappy quality. I feel like saying the display is small, but I can't because I'm already used to using big devices. With the 32GB of internal storage it comes with, it is best to use Go or Light app so the storage will fill up quickly with heavy apps, and also to minimize lag on it. Also, there is a space for the SD card on the card tray, which you can get up to 128GB with your SD card. Even though this device is a cost-effective smartphone, the performance isn't. With this device running a 2017 28nm MediaTek MTK 6739 processor on a 2022 device, it is only someone that haven't used a smartphone in his life before that should use this device, specifically old people who already have grandchildren and are using a button mobile phone. The lags are so noticeable, like putting a lot of pepper in noodles. The C1 is a bloatware and ad-free device which runs on Android 12 with no custom skin because of the low RAM it comes with. The UI has been improved and looks better than what I experienced with the A13 Pro from the brand. If this video has been helpful so far, a sub to the channel would be amazing. With a 13MP dual camera setup, we don't get the kind of marketing photos that is on their website, but I'll give it a 5/10 because at this price point it is decent. They really tried. They tried their best. If you would like to buy this device for a senior citizen, kindly use my link in the description box below to support the channel. Even though it has a grandma performance, the battery lasts long on daily use for old people with great standby time, which can go up to 3 days, which I experienced during my usage, which it comes with a 5150mAh battery which you can charge through the Type-C port and the included slow power brick. Over here we have the mic and headphone jack, below we have another mic, USB-C port with a mono speaker. On the left we have the card tray that houses dual 4G nano sims, and on the right we have the volume rockers and power button, which it feels as if it has a fingerprint sensor, but it doesn't. Rather, it comes with the regular pin pattern password and the less secure face unlock, because this one is really less secured.